Hey kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Henderly. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, and we are going to do a math lesson today where we are going to be talking about number partners. Before we get started, I just wanted to give another birthday wish to our friends Annie Mae, Jaden, and Lamaria. So let's get started. You are going to want to have 10 items for this math lesson. So it can be any 10 items that you want. Doesn't have to be 10 of the same thing. It could be 10 pieces of cereal or marshmallows or 10 toys. Just 10 items that you can use to manipulate when we do the lesson. So I'm going to use 10 cubes in my favorite color, pink. And go ahead and pause the video and find your 10 items. And you're also going to want to find a pencil and piece of paper for later. So pause the video and push play when you find your 10 items. Okay, so let me erase my birthday message and then we're going to get started. So for number partners, that heart doesn't want to erase very well. Okay. So for number partners, we're going to start with a number that's small. So let's start with the number 2. So I want you to take your 2 items. Bend the camera down so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so I have 2 cubes. We want to figure out what numbers make 2. So if I break these apart, the only way that I can make 2 is 1 plus 1, or 2 plus nothing. Okay, I'm going to use this marker as a break apart stick. You could use your pencil if you wanted to separate them. So to make 2, 1 plus 1 makes 2. I'm going to write that down on my paper so I can keep track of that. You don't have to write this down right now. I'm just going to, so you can see. So we made 2 by adding 1 plus 1. Or we could do 2 plus 0 if we wanted. Okay. Are there any other ways to make 2? Nope. Okay, so let's do 3. Okay, so I have 3 cubes, and I want to show the ways to make 3. Okay, so I could do this. So I have how many here? I have 2, and how many here? 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Could I have broken them in a different way? I think that I could have. I think I could have broken them here, separated them there, and said 1 plus 2 also makes 3. Any other ways to make 3? No. Okay, so let's do 4. Okay, so I need 4 cubes this time. I think I'll switch to a different color. I'll use purple this time. Okay, so I could break it here. And I have 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. If I switch it, 2 plus 2, same math problem, right? Okay, let's put it back together. Okay, I'm going to break it there. Now I have 1 plus 3 or I could have switched it and broken it there. 3 plus 1. Are there any other ways to make 4? Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, so that's what I want you to do for all of the numbers up to 10. I want you to make a list, like I did, of all of the ways that we can make number partners for each of these numbers. So do 2, 3, 4, then do 5s, then do 6s, then do 7, and make your list. Then do 8, and 9, and then 10. Now how about I do 10? I'll do 10 with you. You can come up with a lot for 10. As you get more items, your list gets longer. Okay, so 10. Oops, can't see that. There we go. So one way, I'm going to break it right down the middle. One way to make 10 is, how many is here? 5. And how many is here? 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. What about this right here? We have 3, and how many is that? 3 plus 7. Okay, now we can do what's called a switch, and now instead of 3 plus 7, we have, oops, 7 plus 3. So it's the same two numbers, we just switch their order. So 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3. Or we could do, oh, here's one. We've got 1 plus, oh, how many is that? 1 plus 9. If I do the switch, now I've got 9 plus 1. Okay, I think we've got some more that we can do. What about this one? How many here? 2. And then how many here? 8. So 2 plus 8, or we can switch and say 8 plus 2. Okay, are there any other ways to make 10? Oh, here's one. Whoops. Oh, there we go. That's just what I needed. We've got, how many here? We've got 4. How many here? 6. 4 plus 6, or the switch. 6 plus 4 also equals 10. Oops. That's not right. I made a 4 instead of a plus sign in the middle there. There we go. Let's see. Let me look here. Yeah, I think I have all of them. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. I want you to find the number partners for all of the numbers from 2, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So pause the video and go ahead and do that. So get a piece of paper and a pencil, and when you're done, unpause the video and I'm going to show you a paper with my answers so that you can check your work. Okay? So go ahead and get to work on those number partners. Have a fantastic day today, and I will see you again soon. And here are the answers that I have. They don't have to be in the same order. Oops. And then here are the rest. There's a lot. The bigger the number, the more number partners there are. I should probably hold it this way so you can see it better. There you go. Okay, friends, I'll see you again soon.